Hello, and thank you for the opportunity to be here. My name is Vena Prudence. I'm the founder of Smart Dream. Around the world, and especially in fast growing cities, flooding is no longer a rare disaster. It's becoming a recurring failure of how we manage urban infrastructure. Smart Drain exists because I believe flooding is not just a climate problem, it's a data decision making problem. And that's what we are here to fix. You might be wondering, what's broken in the world? What's broken in the world today is that the cities react to flooding after damage has already happened. Drainage systems are invisible until they fail. Communities are warned when it's already too late. Governments spend millions on emergency responses instead of prevention. Now, my vision with Smart Drain is simple but powerful. A world where floods are predicted and not survived, where cities act early, not desperately, and where infrastructure becomes intelligent, not neglected. Today, drainage systems are unmanaged, unpredictable, and often blocked long before anyone notices. There is no real-time vision into what's happening underground. Monitoring is manual, fragmented, and reactive. By the time flooding is visible, homes are damaged, businesses are disrupted, and lives are always put at risk. Cities don't lack effort, they lack, they lack a timely, actionable data. That's the core problem that Smart Drain addresses. On to the solution. Smart Drain. The solution is dubbed Smart Drain. It is a real-time, data-driven flood monitoring and prediction platform. We continuously collect data from drainage infrastructure, process it using intelligent analytics, and then from there translate it into clear insights. Instead of waiting for floods to happen, Smart Drain will help cities detect risks earlier, respond faster, and prevent the damage before it escalates, and in the long run, manage to curb it. Now, Smart Dreams platform is designed for clarity and action. From your screen, you can see at the center there is an app, and next to it is a screenshot for the website. Now, the key features include a real-time drain condition monitoring, predictive flood risks alerts, visual dashboard for engineers and decision makers, and public-facing insights for community awareness. All this is possible. All this will be possible and accessible through a simple web-based platform, which I will demonstrate shortly. So let's just listen to the demo. Now, that's the MVP in action. As you have just seen it, it's live data visualization, risk indicators, and how insights flow from detection to prediction. This demo shows how smart drains turns complex infrastructure con- complex infrastructure into decisions that can be acted on immediately. There's also a chatbot that you can interact with. It proves that the solution is not only theoretical, but it's already working, right? Now, for the market opportunity, urban flooding affects thousands of cities globally, particularly in rapidly urbanizing regions. Our initial markets include municipalities, county and city governments, infrastructure agencies, and climate resilience partners. As climate risks increases, the demand for predictive infrastructure tools like Smart Drain is not only growing. You can see it can be expanded to East Africa, Africa, and to the global south. Now, our budget is intentionally lean and focused on impact. Funding is allocated towards completing product development, deploying and testing the MVP, piloting with real users, and strengthening system reliabilities. Every dollar is tied into validation and scale readiness. The, the previous, okay, let me just go back. So for the business model and revenue model, SmartDrain operates a software as a service model. Cities, it also incorporates government contracts and B2B partnerships. Cities and agencies subscribe based on size and usage with an additional revenue from premium analytics and system integrations. This creates a predictable recurring revenue while delivering measurable public value. So far, I've built a working MVP, developed a live platform and a demo, and validated the problem through real urban flooding cases. This positions Smart Drain for pilot deployment and early partnerships. Meet me, the current Smart Lead for Smart Drain. As a solo founder, I bring together skills in technology, design, and problem-solving driven innovation with a strong focus on building solutions that are practical, scalable, and socially impactful. As we grow, funding will allow us to expand the team strategically. Now, based on our MVP budget, we are seeking a total of close to $30,000 in preceding funding to complete the product development, deploy a working prototype, run a pilot with real users, the IoTs, and validate Smart Drain before scaling it to cities. In conclusion, flooding doesn't have to be inevitable. Smart Drain fixes what's broken by giving cities foresight instead of hindsight. We turn environmental risks into actionable intelligence and help communities stay safe, resilient, and prepared. This is about our smarter infrastructure, better decisions, and lives protected. Contact me, Vena Prudence. That's my email you're seeing on the screen. and the number. There's also a portfolio of mine in case you have questions or you want to partner with me in Smart Dream. Thank you for your time and attention. Goodbye.